Hello, and welcome to our webinar, Power Your Profitability with CyberPower's Short Depth UPS, brought to you by CyberPower. I'm your host, Katie Bavoso from the Channel Company. Digital video surveillance is becoming smarter and more accessible, and as more institutions prioritize security, the higher the demand for related applications grows. In fact, the global video surveillance market is projected to register a compound annual growth rate of more than 14% through 2027. This presents channel providers with an opportunity to supply continuous power for security solutions, audiovisual technology, and other critical IT infrastructure to their customers. To address the market's increased need for power protection and respond to the growing security and audiovisual vertical, CyberPower has created CP1500PFCRM2U, short depth rack mount UPS system. Today, we'll discuss the need for this solution, who it helps, and how CyberPower can help partners create more revenue by selling power protection. I'm joined now by Tracy McMeekin, Senior Product Manager, and Scott Kohler, Vice President of Channel Sales, both from CyberPower. Welcome to both of you. It's great to see you together. Let's get started with our first segment, a growing market opportunity and challenge. So Tracy, first question goes to you. What is driving the increased need for power protection and power management solutions and services?
Hi, Katie, and thanks for having us today. What we've been seeing is that the growth in tech, IoT, and digital connectivity has increased demand for computing devices, sensors, and other equipment. And that equipment needs reliable, continuous protection like battery backup and surge protection to operate and perform. There are also outside factors that are increasing the demand, like an aging power grid, rolling outages, and inclement weather. Simply put, more IT infrastructure means more needs for power protection, and that's where CyberPower comes in.
Scott, over to you. What opportunity does this present channel providers?
Well, we have researched, developed, designed, and manufactured a new product to meet specific technology and marketing needs. Secondly, that our partners, we're giving them a potential area of opportunity growth with new verticals and new potential customers. Verticals that historically they may not have addressed, such as POS, healthcare, hospitality, and a plethora of other ones. Specifically, an area we're seeing a tremendous amount of growth in is the audiovisual and the security area. We've listened to our channel partners, we've read the market, and that has driven us to develop new products that specifically address those needs. A prime example of that is why we're here today to discuss the CP1500PFCRM2U.
So let's continue to build on that topic, actually. What challenges are channel providers facing in keeping up with the demand for power protection, both from a business perspective and a technology perspective? Scott, why don't you start us off?
From a business perspective, to say that the IT channel has grown significantly is a vast understatement. Our job as a manufacturer is to find out ways to monetize that growth and to give our partners different opportunities in new verticals and new products to grow their business.
Thanks, Scott. So Tracy, why don't you continue on the technology side of this?
Yes, from a technology perspective, our partners and their customers rely on CyberPower to bring forward new technologies that will address the ever-changing need in today's business environment. From things like an ever-increasing remote workforce to increased IT infrastructure needs in both new and existing verticals, CyberPower is committed to ensuring reliable power protection to keep businesses running.
Let's now continue the conversation in segment 2, get to know the CP1500PFCRM2U. So Tracy, first of all, what is the CP1500PFCRM2U and what applications can it be used in?
The CP1500 PFCRM2U is a 2U short depth rack mount UPS that's suitable for multiple applications. As Scott mentioned, we did develop this product specifically with the security and audiovisual markets in mind. This UPS is ideal for those markets because the short depth and lightweight chassis allow the UPS to fit comfortably in smaller wall mount racks without compromising cable management and safety. Additional features like sine wave battery output, automatic voltage regulation, EMI RFI filtering, and remote UPS management and monitoring make this application suitable for point of sale systems, small office and home networking, and workstations.
So, Tracy, what key features of the CP1500PFCRM2U make it stand out from competing solutions?
Our voice of customer research showed that there were three main features that were missing in similar solutions. Number one was sine wave output when the UPS was on battery. Customers prefer this because the power provided is identical to, or sometimes even cleaner than, utility output power. And this makes it compatible with sensitive electronics. Second on the list was the ability to manage and monitor the UPS from a remote location. The CP1500PFCRM2U includes an expansion slot that users can install a full-featured network management card or UPS monitoring card that works with our power panel. And finally, customers also want to quickly confirm the status of their UPS at a glance. The CP1500PFCRM2U has a multifunction LCD with color icons, and the colored icons display status in green, yellow, and red so that users aren't left guessing as to the status of their UPS or power conditions.
Very simple. Obviously, in the last 2 years, channel provider needs and customer needs have evolved, shifted, grown, and changed so much. So how does CP1500 PFCRM2U address the needs of today's MSPs and their customers?
CyberPower is dedicated to being our customers' ultimate ally in power. And this means not only bringing forward solutions that ensure uptime and productivity of critical devices, it also means keeping customers informed about power conditions that may impact that productivity. And in reviewing the needs of our MSPs and their customers, we found that there is no one-size-fits-all solution to keeping them informed. And for this reason, the CP1500 PFCRM2U provides multiple options for staying connected. One option that I'd like to highlight is our wireless cloud card, which is exclusive to CyberPower. The wireless cloud card enables internet connection to a UPS, even in places where a network jack isn't available. This means that our customers have even more flexibility and control over their power.
Tracy, let's not bury the lead. When will CP1500 PFCRM2U be available?
I'm excited to say that it's already available and ready to quote through our partners.
Let's now go into our final segment, segment 3, CyberPower CP1500 PFCRM2U and the partner benefit. So Scott, what opportunity does the CP1500 PFCRM2U offer CyberPower partners? And what kinds of channel providers would benefit from offering this solution?
Well, all of our partners can benefit from having a new product to present and open up new opportunities. In addition, a product like the CP1500 PFCRM2U provides pull-through opportunity for CyberPower's extensive array of power products.
So Scott, as we know, new solutions can often be intimidating to customers. How can your partners best position CP1500 PFCRM2U to customers, and how can CyberPower help with this?
First and foremost, our partners are IT professionals. It is our job to give them the tools they need to be successful in any new product launch and to engage with existing customers and open up new relationships. Also, it's important to provide them with the support they need to be successful. Training, marketing, technical support are all important factors in a new product launch.
So Scott, very important question because everyone wants to make more money. So how can channel providers increase their bottom line by partnering with CyberPower and adding CP1500 PFCRM2U to their portfolios?
Well, new products, customers, and verticals open up an opportunity for our partners to improve their bottom line. Coupled with the pull-through opportunity that I previously discussed, it gives a tremendous opportunity for partners to grow their power business.
Scott, last question today. How does CyberPower support its partners, and what investments are you making in the channel?
As I mentioned before, as a manufacturer, it's our job to provide our partners the tools they need to be successful. First and foremost, we need to develop products that allow them to expand their business. We need to support those products with the marketing, training, and technical support they need to be successful. Couple all that with partner-specific discounting, our rewarding perks program. We believe we've given our partners all the incentive they need to grow their business.
Scott, Tracy, thank you both so much for your time today. And thanks to those of you at home for watching. If you'd like to learn more about CyberPower and CP1500PFCRM2U, you can visit the web address on your screen. Once more, I'm Katie Bavoso. Take care.